Determine the output waveform for the following inputs. In order to find the output waveform, we said we're supposed to look at the input waveforms. We're supposed to look at the truth table and determine the output waveform. Everything has to be implemented by using timing diagram. So what we're supposed to do first? Like always, we're supposed to look at each waveform and mark every single change. I mean, you're supposed to mark every single transition from high to low or low to high by drawing dash line. So I have first transition from high to low at this time, so I'm going to draw the dash line. I have another transition over here. I have transition from high to low at this time, and I have another transition from low to high, and I have high to low over here, and I have low to high at this time. I can say that I'm finished with waveform A. Next, I'm supposed to look at waveform B. Okay, so this is my transition from high to low, and remember, you're supposed to draw the dash line down, and also you're supposed to draw the dash line up. I have another transition from low to high, and I'm supposed to draw the dash line, and also dash line has to go up. I have another transition over here. Okay, please notice that we create again the columns. Okay, and we're supposed to look at these columns separately. Okay, so look at the first column. We have high and high. High and high will give me high at the output. Look at the truth table of the OR gate and try to memorize it. Remember, anytime you have high at the inputs, output is going to be high. In order to get low at the output of the OR gate, you're supposed to have all inputs low. No matter how many inputs you are going to have, you are going to have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, right? If all inputs are going to have low, output is going to be low. But if at least one of them is going to have high, output automatically is going to be high. That's why we're supposed to apply these properties and draw the output waveform. So we have highs, that's why automatically my output is going to be high. Now I have 0, 1. I have high. Anytime I have high, output is high. That's why I have high. I have high, high. That's why output is high. And I have high, low. That's why my output is high, because I have one high. If I have 0, 0, okay, anytime my both inputs are 0, output is going to be 0. That's why I'm going to write 0 over here. And I have 1, 0. This is 1. And I have 1, 1. And I have 1. I have 0, 1. That's why this is 1. And I have 0, 0. When I have 0, 0 at the inputs, output is going to be 0. That's why I have 0. And I have 1, 0. One more time. Anytime I have 1, 0 or 0, 1, output is going to be 1. Now I can draw the output waveform. I have highs till this time, and after that I have low, and I have again highs, and I have low over here, and I have high again. Okay, so this is my output waveform, and this is the solution to my problem.